It's great to see farmers trying to make the most of their fallow EFA by planting it with bird cover crop with wildflower mixes. So in this farm, the farmers included Phacelia and crimson clover. And speaking to Ken, he's highlighted how important this is at improving the soil structure. It's adding organic matter into the soil, and it's great to see these benefits for the farmer coming through. From a pollinator point of view, these flowers are very profitable species. Phacelia is very rich in nectar, so it's got sugar-rich nectar to provide pollinators with energy. And red crimson clover, it's got very protein-rich pollen, so that provides protein to help pollinators breed. So it's good to see these two species being used together. They flower at slightly different times. The Phacelia flowers earlier than the crimson clover, so they complement each other in providing more stable resources through the season. So not only do these wild bird cover or wildflower covers enhance pollinators, they also provide resources for beneficial insects. So things like parasitic wasps require the protein and nectar to support them. Also hoverflies, which are an important pollinator group. Many species such as the marmalade hoverfly have larvae that are insectivorous and particularly like feeding on aphids. The hoverflies are very busy in the wildflower crops, but there's very few aphids in that crop, so they'll quite quickly switch to a nearby cereal field to seek aphids and lay their eggs adjacent to aphids, so when the eggs hatch, they've got a ready supply of food. There's obvious benefits to the farm for these cover crops, from the enhancing nutrient and organic matter in the crop, enhancing the soil structure, but also there's benefits to pollinators, which may enhance yield in adjacent crops, and to beneficial insects, which again may enhance yield or reduce the need for alternative insecticides.